So now it's a time to facilitate our chief guest. We have Dr. Lata Murthy with us and Manmeet Khurana sir. ಬರ್ಲಿ ಜೋರಾದ ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ ಬರ್ಲಿ. Yes, you sir. Thank you for being present today. There's a beautiful saying, yesterday's success doesn't need today's applause. Where to wear is not important, but here to wear is definitely important. Every hour of our life is very important for the next level of success. So do you all agree on that? And of course, we are here to, get the most of this hour of our life. Thank you so much, sir, for gracing this occasion. Now I call upon Dr. Satyamurthy sir. Madan Gopal sir, please. Now I call upon Shri 𝗙𝗶𝗹𝗶 sir. Now we call upon K.R. Nandakumar sir, who's come all the way from Chennai. Thank you so much.